Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. 2+ years into life on web meetings and Zoom meetings, and I just realized that all along I should have had this webcam from NexiGo. I love this camera. It's awesome. You can automatically see the clarity improve right away. I wish I had been using this all along because there was so many days I felt like it was my internet connection and it was just my camera on my computer. It's plug and play. All you do is just plug it right into your computer, and you can see that the device has a little tiny lip right here. It sits right on your monitor screen and it works awesome. This is a 1080p, and I love using it not only on a Zoom meeting, but also you can use it if you're just recording directly from your computer. Plugged it right in. Last night I used it on a meeting and everyone said, "Oh, you look so refreshed and relaxed." I don't feel like I looked any different, but I know for sure that it was the clarity on my camera. So love this little baby webcam from NexiGo. Super happy that I was able to get it, and that's my point of view.